Jain student, today we are going to discuss the some MCQ type question in the chapter food security. The most affected group in rural area facing insecurity are landless people, B traditional artisan, C beggar, D all of the above. The answer for this question is all of the above. Next, the second MSP is stand for options are minimum support price, maximum support price, marginal support price, and none of these. The answer for this question is option A minimum support price. Next, Green Revolution of 1960 was associated with option A use of HYV seeds, B tree plantation program, C fisher development, D none of these. The answer for this question is option A uses of HYV seeds. Next question, PDS is associated with A option A fair price shop, B cooperative store, C super bazaar, D none of the above. The option A is the right answer, that is fair price shop. B rampant public distribution system provide benefit to A city, B remote and backward area, C self-help group, D cooperative. The answer for this question is option B, that is remote and backward area. Next, white revolution of the country is associated with option A sugar, B milk, C paper, D none of the above. The option B is the right answer, that is milk. Next, Annapurna scheme fulfill the food requirement of A indigenous senior citizen, B children, C pregnant ladies, D younger person. Answer is option A indigenous senior citizen. Next question, Antyodaya card are related to all poor, poorest of the poor, person below poverty line, D none of the above. The option B is the right answer, poorest of the poor. Next, Antyodaya Anna Yojana Annapurna scheme was linked with public distribution system, B midday meal, C special nutrition program, D none of the above. The option A is the right answer, that is public distribution system. Next question, under the public distribution system, food grain given by the family per month is A 40 kg, B 35 kg, C 25 kg, D 20 kg. The option B is the right answer, that is 35 kg. Next, in which state more than 90% ration shop are run by the cooperative? The options are A Andhra Pradesh, B Tamil Nadu, C Odisha, D Bihar. Option B is the right answer, that is Tamil Nadu. Next question, the society which facilitated setting up grain bank in the different region is Amul Gujarat, B Academy of Development Science Maharashtra, C Mother Dairy Delhi, and D none of the above. The option B is the right answer, that is Academy of Development Science Maharashtra. Next, Narega provide options 200 days of assured work, B 100 days of assured work, C non assured work, D none of the above. The option B is the right answer, that is 100 days of assured work. Next question, minimum support price is announced by the government to provide A option incentive to farmer raising production, B incentive to trader to earn maximum profit from farmer, incentive to money lender to lend maximum to farmer, D none of the above. Option A is the right answer, incentive to farmer for raising production. Next, seasonal hunger mostly found in option A urban area, B rural area, D metro city, D both A and B. The option B is the right answer, that is rural area. Thank you.